The ACA ensures access to health coverage. It protects those with pre-existing conditions, and it includes essential health benefits. Any questions on these key points? How does this affect clients? Great question. Welcome to ACA Insurance Academy, where future insurance professionals learn how to serve clients with confidence, knowledge, and professionalism. Good morning, class. Welcome to Module 1 of our Affordable Care Act Health Insurance course. Today, we are starting with Lesson 1. What is the Affordable Care Act, also known as the ACA? The purpose of this course is to help you understand ACA Marketplace Health Insurance so you can confidently explain it to clients. As insurance agents, your role is not only to sell a plan, your role is to educate, guide, and protect the client.
So, is ACA the same thing as Obamacare?
Excellent question. Yes, the Affordable Care Act is often called Obamacare, and many people also refer to it as Marketplace Health Insurance. The Affordable Care Act was created to make health insurance more accessible and more affordable for millions of Americans. Before the ACA, many people had difficulty getting coverage because of cost or pre-existing medical conditions. Today, marketplace plans cannot deny coverage just because someone has a medical condition. This is one of the most important parts of the ACA. Clients with conditions like diabetes, asthma, pregnancy, cancer history, or heart disease can still apply for marketplace coverage. So the insurance company cannot reject the client because they are sick? Correct. For ACA marketplace plans, eligible clients cannot be denied coverage because of a pre-existing condition. That protection is one reason the ACA is so important. It ensures people can't be denied coverage or charged more for pre-existing conditions. Any questions? ACA plans must cover a set of services called essential health benefits. These include doctor visits, emergency services, hospital care, maternity care, mental health, preventive, and pediatric care. When you speak with clients, do not just talk about the monthly premium. You must also help them understand benefits, deductibles, copays, provider networks, prescription coverage, and total out-of-pocket costs. Another major part of the ACA is financial assistance. Many clients may qualify for premium tax credits, which can reduce the amount they pay every month for health insurance.
How does a client know if they qualify for savings?
Great question. Qualification usually depends on household income, household size, location, and other eligibility rules. As agents, we help clients complete accurate applications so the marketplace can determine what financial help they may receive.
So we guide them through the process?
Exactly. We ensure they understand their options. As ACA agents, we must help clients compare their options carefully. We should check their doctors, review medications, explain plan costs, and make sure they understand what they are choosing. Let's review what we learned today. The ACA is a health insurance law designed to make coverage more accessible and affordable. It protects clients with pre-existing conditions, requires essential health benefits, and may provide financial assistance for eligible individuals and families. In the next lesson, we will discuss who qualifies for ACA marketplace coverage. Thank you for learning with ACA Insurance Academy. Visit www.scene1.com/6 for more information. Welcome back, everyone. In our previous lesson, we learned what the Affordable Care Act is and why it was created. Today, we're going to answer one of the most common questions every insurance agent receives. Who actually qualifies for ACA marketplace health insurance? Not everyone has the same health insurance needs. As an insurance professional, one of your first responsibilities is determining whether your client is eligible to enroll in an ACA marketplace plan. The better you understand eligibility, the better you can guide your clients. To enroll in marketplace coverage, an applicant generally must live in the United States, be lawfully present, live in the service area where they're applying, and meet marketplace eligibility requirements. Every application should be reviewed carefully to ensure accurate information.
Can someone with a full-time job still qualify for ACA coverage?
Yes, absolutely. Eligibility for ACA coverage is based on income, not employment status, so full-time workers can qualify. If the employer does not offer qualifying health insurance, or the employee is otherwise eligible under marketplace rules, the person may still be able to purchase marketplace coverage. Whether they qualify for financial assistance depends on additional eligibility factors. The ACA Marketplace serves many types of clients: freelancer, small business owner, gig worker, part-time employee, college graduate. Many marketplace clients fall into one of these categories. What if someone just lost their job? That's one of the most common situations. When someone loses employer-sponsored health insurance, they may qualify for a special enrollment period, allowing them to enroll outside the annual open enrollment period if they meet marketplace requirements. When completing an ACA application, accurate household information is extremely important. This includes your family, income, and housing details. Getting this right ensures you receive the correct benefits. You'll collect information such as household size, estimated annual income, address, and other details required by the marketplace. Always encourage clients to provide complete and accurate information.
Why is household income so important?
Great question. Household income is one of the factors used to determine whether a client may qualify for premium tax credits or other marketplace savings. Providing accurate income information helps ensure the client receives the correct level of financial assistance. So if it's wrong, they could get less aid? Exactly, it could lead to penalties or having to pay back subsidies. Now, let's look at common mistakes. Avoid guessing annual income. Don't enter an incorrect household size. Always report life changes. Verify eligibility before choosing a plan. These are some of the most common mistakes new agents make. Take your time, verify information, ask questions. Accurate applications protect both you and your client. Let's look at the checklist. This is what makes a professional agent. First, listen carefully and verify the information. Then, explain options and review plans. Remember, your job is not simply to enroll someone. Your responsibility is to educate your clients, answer their questions honestly, verify their information, and help them choose the plan that best fits their needs. Lesson 2 summary. First, understand marketplace eligibility, know the common applicant types, verify household information, and understand why income matters. This helps clients complete accurate applications. Today we learned who commonly qualifies for ACA Marketplace coverage and why gathering accurate information is essential. These skills form the foundation of becoming a trusted insurance professional. Excellent work today, everyone. In our next lesson, we'll learn the difference between open enrollment and special enrollment periods and why every ACA agent must understand both. Thank you for choosing ACA Insurance Academy. We'll see you in Lesson 3. The ACA provides access to health coverage and protects those with pre-existing conditions. This is just the start of our ACA training series. Subscribe for more on ACA, Medicare, life, and commercial insurance. Welcome back to ACA Insurance Academy. In Lesson 2, we discussed who may qualify for ACA Marketplace coverage. Today, we are learning about two very important enrollment windows: open enrollment and special enrollment periods. ACA Marketplace health insurance is not something most people can enroll in at any time of the year. Clients must usually enroll during open enrollment, unless they qualify for a special enrollment period. As insurance agents, knowing these enrollment periods helps you guide clients at the right time. Open enrollment is the annual period when most people can apply for a new ACA Marketplace plan, renew their current plan, or change to a different plan. This is the busiest season for ACA health insurance agents.
So during open enrollment, anyone who is eligible can apply?
Yes, during open enrollment, eligible consumers can apply for Marketplace coverage without needing a special life event. That is why agents must be prepared before the season begins. Before open enrollment starts, agents should review available plans, carrier options, provider networks, formularies, premiums, deductibles, and compliance requirements. Preparation allows you to serve clients faster and more professionally. A special enrollment period, also known as SEP, allows eligible consumers to enroll outside open enrollment when they experience certain qualifying life events. SEP is extremely important because many clients need coverage after a major life change. Common special enrollment qualifying events include losing health coverage, getting married, having a baby, adopting a child, moving to a new coverage area, or having certain household or income changes. Each situation must be reviewed carefully based on marketplace rules. Qualifying life events include loss of coverage, marriage, birth, adoption, moving, divorce, changes in household or income. If someone loses their job and loses health insurance, can they apply right away? Usually, yes. Losing employer-sponsored health coverage is one of the most common reasons someone may qualify for a special enrollment period. However, the client must provide accurate information and may need to submit proof of the qualifying event. This ensures a smooth enrollment process.
What kind of proof?
Documents like a marriage certificate. Some special enrollment periods may require documentation. Examples include a loss of coverage letter, marriage certificate, birth certificate, adoption paperwork, or proof of a new address. As agents, we should help clients understand what documents may be needed.
What happens if the client misses the deadline?
If a client misses the enrollment deadline and does not qualify for another special enrollment period, they may have to wait until the next open enrollment period. That is why timing is critical. Agents must explain deadlines clearly and encourage clients to act quickly. Let's compare the two. Open enrollment is the regular annual enrollment window. A special enrollment period is triggered by a qualifying life event. Understanding the difference helps you properly guide your clients. As an ACA agent, never assume a client qualifies for a special enrollment period without asking the right questions. You must listen carefully, identify possible qualifying events, explain deadlines, and help the client complete the application accurately. Let's look at a case study. Maria lost her employer health insurance last month.
Could Maria qualify for SEP? Yes, because she lost employer-sponsored health coverage.
Correct. Loss of qualifying health coverage may allow Maria to enroll through a special enrollment period if she meets marketplace requirements and applies within the allowed time frame. Today, you learned the difference between open enrollment and special enrollment periods. You also learned why deadlines, documentation, and accurate client information are so important. Great work today. In our next lesson, we will explain ACA medal levels, including bronze, silver, gold, and platinum plans. The ACA protects people with pre-existing conditions. This is a brief overview. More training is available on our website.
ACA Insurance Academy, training futures insurance practums.